Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Info in 1611. Today we have very shocking topic too, so let's start.
Big changes are coming to UK immigration, and many of them were fast-tracked after recent protests. If you are planning to move to the UK, sponsor family, or work there, this video will walk you through what changed, what's proposed next, and exactly what you should do now. Stay until the end. I'll give practical steps you can take today. Welcome to Info in 1611. Let's start. On screen, quick. Hi, I'm Aman. In this video we'll cover 1. The main rule changes already in effect. 2. Proposals that may become law soon. 3. Who is affected most, including Indian nationals. And 4. Concrete next steps you can take. I'll also explain timelines and common myths, so you don't waste money or miss deadlines. On screen, bullet list of the 4 items. Clock icon for timeline. Section 1. Why the government moved fast. First, why did these changes happen? Large, highly visible protests over asylum hotels, pressure on local services, and political debates about high net migration pushed the government to act quickly. The response has been twofold: immediate administrative changes to speed up removals and appeals, and policy proposals to reduce new routes of migration in the future. Protests, political pressure, quick policy action. Section 2. Key changes already in effect. Here are the main changes already in effect, the ones you need to know now. Refugee family reunion applications have been temporarily suspended while the government rewrites the rules. That means new applications are on hold for now. If you planned to apply under family reunion as a refugee, check official gov.uk notices and be prepared for new eligibility criteria when the route reopens. Refugee family reunion temporarily suspended. The government has committed to speeding up asylum appeals and reducing backlogs. Practically, that means shorter processing windows, more resources for caseworkers, and new administrative timelines. For people already in the appeal system, expect faster decisions, but also fewer opportunities for lengthy delays. Subsection C. Enforcement and illegal working. Enforcement against illegal working has increased. Employers face stricter penalties and checks. If you are an employer, make sure right-to-work checks are airtight. If you are a worker, never accept informal or cash-only jobs without proper paperwork. The risk of enforcement action is higher now. Some nationality lists for ETA and transit visas have been updated. That affects who needs pre-travel authorization. Always check gov.uk before booking travel. Rules differ by nationality and can change quickly. The skilled worker route has seen higher skill and salary thresholds. The minimum required skill level moved up, meaning many lower skilled roles are no longer eligible, and salary floors were raised. For the care sector, sponsors now must show they've tried to recruit from the UK first before hiring overseas. If you are applying for a work visa, make sure your job and salary meet the new thresholds. Section 3. Proposed or likely changes. Next, what's being proposed or may become law soon. These are worth watching because they could affect future applicants. One proposal is to lengthen the time it takes to qualify for indefinite leave to remain in some routes. Proposals include moving some routes from 5 years to longer periods. This is not yet final, but it's under serious consideration. The government is considering raising English language requirements for certain visas and even for adult dependents. Expect stricter test levels or additional checks for genuine language ability. Tighter family visa rules and income thresholds. Family visa rules could change. higher minimum incomes, stricter financial sponsorship tests, or longer waiting periods for reunification. Again, this is proposed, not final, but it's a political priority. Narrower list of sponsorable jobs. The government may restrict which occupations can be sponsored, focusing on high-skill, high-pay roles. Lower-skilled jobs may be deprioritized unless there's clear shortage justification. Who is hit hardest? Who will feel this most? Short answer: refugees and lower-skilled migrants. Longer answer: anyone relying on family reunion, people in lower-paid roles seeking sponsorship, and applicants who planned to reach settlement quickly. Indian nationals on high-skilled work visas are less immediately affected, but stricter English tests, higher fees, and narrower sponsorship lists could still matter. Section 5: Practical Steps for Viewers. Okay, what should you do? Here are concrete steps. Check official sources now. Always use gov.uk for the latest rules. Many news articles summarize changes, but only gov.uk and legal guidance are definitive. Step 1: Read gov.uk. Step 2: Review your eligibility and document set. Have your contract, payslips, English test, passport, and BRP documents ready. If you are on a work route, check your job code, salary band, and sponsors compliance. Step 3: Talk to a regulated immigration advisor if your case is complex. If your case involves asylum, family reunion, or complex appeals, consult a regulated immigration lawyer or advisor. Faster processes mean you may have less time to respond to requests. Step 4: Employers, upgrade compliance. Employers should audit right-to-work checks, sponsorship license status, and HR processes. Non-compliance risk is higher. Step 5: If you are a student or planning to study. Short-term student routes now include genuine intention checks. Keep proof of course details, funds, and return plans to show you genuinely intend to study then leave. Section 6: Fees, timelines, and costs. Another important point: visa and settlement fees increased in 2025. Expect higher ILR and naturalization fees, and new administrative charges in some pathways. Budget accordingly, fees can add thousands to your plan. Section 7: Myths and quick FAQs. Quick answers to common questions. Q. Can I still bring my family? A. Family reunions for refugees are suspended. Other family visas, spouse, partner, remain but may face stricter tests. Q. Will my skilled worker visa be cancelled? A. Not automatically. But new roles may not be accepted for future sponsorship. Q. Are deportations increasing? A. Enforcement is higher, especially for confirmed illegal entrants or declined asylum claims. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe to Info 1611 for weekly updates on immigration and visas. If you want a personalized breakdown, for example, how these rules affect Indian nationals applying for skilled worker, student visas, or family visas, comment below which route you want and I'll make a follow-up video. Refugee family reunion paused, asylum appeals sped up, higher enforcement on illegal work, raised skill and salary thresholds, and likely stricter English and family rules coming soon. Check gov.uk and plan now. Thanks for watching. Stay updated, stay prepared, and see you in the next video. Info 1611 signing off.